Kit's crows. Okay, Mom's still in the hospital. I'm guessing they're going to release her today, probably. Where's my key? You're a magpie. So, but I'm still going my walk, but a very, very short one, just because I need to be home. I'm just going to loop around the neighborhood a little bit. Not do any shopping. There you are. They're so funny. I love the magpies. Oh. There's Remington. Hey, boys. Good morning. How are you? You can see a crow waiting right there in the middle of the street. I'm a-coming. Such good boys. He's looking, making sure I'm coming. Oh, there's another one at the other corner. Where are you going? It's up on the roof. Hey, you. See a little buddy over there. You want a treat? I'm gonna put it right over here, kind of in between you two. There. That's a nice size treat. Okay, go get it. Well, I'm sure they'll get it. That one was at least watching. Where are you going? Well, I hope you go get it. I'll leave one more small pile here. So you got options now. There. Oh, I'm still zoomed in. Okay. Well, I tried. We'll get it eventually. It's a lot of starlings this morning. How are these chickens doing? Hey, there you are. Well, I'm gonna leave a treat for these guys. These cute chatty guys. Okay. I'll just put it right here. There. More than enough for them to have fun with. Oh yeah! Well, they're happy. Hope the crows got their treat too. Well, I'm back. I came from a different direction. Oh, there's a magpie. Hey boys. I'm back already. Yeah, I took a very short walk, didn't I? Oh, you're so cute. Well, I'm gonna go home. I'll see you boys later. Bye-bye. Squeaky magpies. There goes a crow. I'd give them a treat, but they don't really watch me. They sure are loud.